Before I become more productive in my life, like writing, journaling, or building something with purpose, I was lost, not in a dramatic way, but quite in a confusing way. I did not understand my mind. I did not know what decisions to take to become better than yesterday. I had this constant pressure inside me that I had to do something meaningful in my life, something that will help me in future, something that will make my life more valuable than today. But I did not know what that thing was, and the confusion was very heavy. Because the truth is simple, you cannot solve a problem if you don't know the cause, and I did not understand mine. I was living in a constant consumption, endless information, infinite waste of my attention on a useless thing. I was taking in everything but processing nothing. It felt like I was full but empty at the same time. I was always taking the quick dopamine, a volatile pleasure, and I was with a completely distracted mindset. I did not have any consistent desire for doing something meaningful. And obviously, no one could help you because no one understands your experiences, your thoughts, your patterns. You are all alone into this. I was that person and I had to figure it out for myself. The second problem was that I was not ready to fix myself because I did not have that awareness yet. My mind was full of noise, so many ideas, but none of them clear. Nothing solid enough to act on. Too much information, too much input, but no clear direction. I could not even take a small step forward. I had information, but no purpose. Then I realized something uncomfortable, which is that I was not allowing myself to be bored. I was not sitting with my thoughts and I was not giving myself time to think about my actions. I was constantly distracting myself, chasing the quick dopamine but no meaning. My mind was overloaded and I could not even think clearly at all. That is when I started noticing the patterns, constant stimulation from bad habits and mental masturbation, which means constantly thinking about the work, thinking about the goal you want to achieve, but not taking any action to achieve it. Just being in the loop of thinking, imagining, and escaping. At the time, I did not even have words for it. I was going through it but did not understand it. It took some time to understand it through observing and reflecting on my behavior, and slowly I built the understanding and awareness about what was happening. And I did not change overnight because no one does. I started small. First of all, I reduced all the habits which only giving me cheap dopamine but no meaning. I started reading, writing, journaling, tracking my time, and making myself more accountable about my actions. And none of these things fixed me very instantly, but they gave me awareness which I did not have before. And I realized something important: a distracted mind needs rehab. It has to step away from constant stimulation. It needs constraints. Then I understood something even simpler. You don't need more ideas, you need fewer and simple ideas that you can actually execute. You don't need big plans to change your life. You need small actions that you can repeat daily. You don't need to consume everything. You need a specific knowledge to move you in one direction. Because too much information does not create clarity, it creates noise. In this world, you are exposed to more than you can handle, and it is the real skill to protect your attention and focus only on those things which create meaning in your life in the long run.